What up, y'all? Got the package in today, man. Got the running boards for my Silverado today. This is the KYX Nerf bars. Gonna be installing these in today. Need these bad, man, with this 3-inch lift. This truck be hard to get into. My girlfriend and the kids can't get into it. So go ahead and see what we got, y'all. Let's open these things up. Let's go ahead and get these things open, see what we got in here. Yeah. That's what they're looking like right here, y'all. I'm gonna start leaving up like some little descriptions to where I buy my parts from. I got these right here off Amazon. Came with the 2 running boards. I'm pretty sure these are the bolts and the brackets to mount them up down there. So I'm gonna go ahead now. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the KYX. This is the black stainless steel. And they not that heavy either, though. I mean, I like them. They're lightweight. You can pick them up with one hand. They're pretty sturdy, too. I like them. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, got everything out, y'all. First thing we got to do, pitting on these mounting brackets right here. It ain't too bad. I got to use these universal clips right here with these bolts here. These are the bolts that it came with, too. And I got one of them up already. I can show you what to do down here. Let me grab one of these. Show you what I did. And then here, you put your clip in through the hole. Then just mount the bolt through to mount the bracket up right here. I'm not gonna tighten anything down yet. I'm gonna wait, get everything semi-tight before I put the actual running board on. Now, each one's gonna be three mounting spots. Another one is right here. You can tell because it got a big hole to put the clip through. Just push the clip through there and it goes over to the little hole here. This will be the mounting spot for it. See if I can get it real quick. Let me screwdriver to push it over a little bit. You get it over the hole right there. Open it up, yeah. Like that right there. Then I'm gonna get my, hey, pay me the black bracket right there. The bracket.
The bracket? Well, I can get up.
Then I'm gonna get my bolt. I'm gonna put my bolt through here, through the bracket right here, and it's gonna mount right there, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to mount this one on next. All right, got all 3 brackets mounted now for my driver's side. I don't know if y'all can see them that good. And it's not tightened up, so I can adjust them a little bit. Make sure everything lines up right. So when I put my running board on, it'll be straight. And these pretty much just simple. See, they got all the mounts got 2 holes in them. They screw right into the back of the running boards here. With a washer. I think the hardest thing just gonna be holding it up there. Might have by myself trying to get this done. See if I can do it by myself real quick though. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this running board up though. At least get it started getting it mounted. All right, this is somewhat what it's gonna look like right here. Just gotta tighten everything up now. It's still loose. I think it's hanging out a little bit lower. As soon as I tighten everything up, it slide up a little bit. But yeah, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like right there, y'all. Go ahead and tighten this thing up right quick. All right, y'all, this is what you look like. It's the ending product right here, though. Turned out all right, though. Ain't too bad. Knocked some rust off the bottom of it. It turned out all right, though. Got the running boards put on the Silverado now. That's gonna be it right here, y'all. Catch y'all in the next one, man. Go.